Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic why do ant faces look so scary. In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Ants faces are so scary due to their large compound eyes, red antennal sockets, three tiny ocelli, curvy teeth, rotating scape, flame-like whiskers, and segmented antennae. The horrifying viral close-up photo of ants' face is not real, but it helps depict their actual appearance because they look like it to some extent when seen under a microscope. Ants are considered adorable and enchanting creatures for their social behavior, adaptability, and resilience, but their appearance can be intimidating for a few people. Some people consider ants fascinating creatures because their small size and complex behavior make them interesting insects. In contrast, they can be scary or horrible creatures for a few people if these terrible stinging insects bite or sting on their bodies. Their large compound eyes can be scary for some people because their smaller bodies possess two large black spots on the right and left sides of their heads. Their eyes have a covering of exoskeleton to protect inner optical units from external air elements. This covering also ensures that their eyes do not dry because they do not have eyelids. Accordingly, it seems odd to humans to see creatures without eyelids and eyelashes, as they are used to seeing human eyes having lashes and lids. Their eyes are bigger and bulging outward, which looks horrible when you see through a microscope or magnifying glass. These devices magnify their eyes that look more scary than before. They look scary due to the presence of a red-colored structure on the head region, as they look like a monster with red eyes on the bigger rectangular heads. Some people consider that the eyes of ants are red in color due to the presence of red circular structures on their heads, but these are not eyes. However, these antennal sockets are real because two large antennae emerge from each of these two circuits. These red circuits look terrifying after a closer view of these insects. They have three simple eyes or ocelli on their head in addition to compound eyes arranged in a triangular shape on the top region. These simple eyes have limited resolution to see the objects but help distinguish different light intensities and determine the orientation or direction of movement. Moreover, their triangular arrangement makes these insects look scary because it is not a common sight for humans to see. To see creatures with five eyes. Ants have two large mandibles in their mouth with curved ends that look horrifying. Their teeth have coats of zinc particles obtained from the food, giving extra sharpness. They can bite on the skin hard using their curved and sharp teeth, leaving marks on the affected area. These bites are painful to tolerate and lead to swelling and redness sometimes. Moreover, they can easily pinch the skin layer with their curvy teeth and pull the tissues in an outward direction to break the skin layer. Accordingly, bleeding can also occur if their mandibles are large enough and reach deep into the tissues to cause deep wounds. They possess two large antennae on their heads, making their faces scary because these large and segmented structures extend outward. The first segment of antenna is usually larger than others and known as scape. They can rotate scape that helps move antenna in different directions while sensing the chemical secretions. A rotating antenna can be scary for some people, which is not visible when you see them moving on the ground surface, but you can see it under the magnifying glass and microscope. Moreover, they keep rotating their antenna to capture chemical secretions and odor molecules from the environment to reach the food sources and nest. Whiskers are sensitive hair commonly present in animals and help them navigate and explore their environment by sensing the chemical secretions on the ground or in the air. A bulk of hair is present on their forehead that looks like flaming whiskers and gives a scary look. In addition, their antennae have small hair or sensilla used for odor detection. The dense hair on their head can make you fearful of these tiny insects because it is horrible to see a mass of hair on their rectangular or square-shaped head. Thanks for watching the video.